by 3-4 p.m. It's gonna hit 64, 65, but right now it's showing 55, guys, and it says it feels like 55, but there is currently a 6 mile an hour wind, and yeah, I'm feeling that chill all over my ears. So guys, I think what I might do until later on is see if I can find the old balaclava. See, I had it. I had it yesterday, but I'm thinking I might have buried it in the front bag. So you know what? Yeah, you know what, guys? We might have to just endure without it, you know. that wind, in about an hour and a half, it's going to start to shift from from the northerly that it is now to an easterly, and then towards the end of the day, about 5 p.m., it's going to shift to a southeasterly. So it's going to be kind of at our back towards the end of the day, which is very, very appreciative, because yeah, towards the end of the day, as I'm going to be on the lowest levels of my energy, that's the time I'm going to need the little wind at my back to help me out. Well, to good health, guys. All right, guys, yeah, so we'll do a quick batter swap here. So from these boonies of just about near Woodbine, Georgia, guys, I bid you a hasta la ciao ciao, bye for now, from the foresty jungle of Woodbine, Georgia.